ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। 10th भूरंभांस्य नलो नीलोम्बरमहर नाथो हिमांशुः पुमान् नित्याभाति चराचरात्मकमिदं यस्यैव मूर्त्यष्टकम् नान्यत् किंचन विद्यते विमृशतां यस्मात् परस्मात् विभोस् तस्मै श्री गुरुमूर्तये नम इदं श्री दक्षिणामूर्तये। उपासना प्रकरणम is going on. 10th and 11th Vartika we had chanted. Now the meaning of that. मूले तिष्ठति कालाग्नि. So in the mule means Mooladhara, the Kalagni. So Agni in the Sharira, that Kalpana is done. So what is done is, it is said Bhuhu Ambhamsi, Bhurambhansi Anilaha. Anila means Analaha. Anala, then Anila. Anala means Agni. So now, earlier the 7 worlds were explained as the 7 chakras in the Sharira. Then the oceans and the rivers were explained. That is the Jala aspect, water aspect. Ganga is Pingala, Yamuna is Ida, Saraswati is Shushumna. Then all the other rivers are there. And the continents, and then the oceans in the form of the steam and the sweat, etc. Now what is said is the fire aspect. So in the Mooladhara there is Kalagni, that fire which burns everything at the destruction. Asthi Madhye Badavaha, in the bones it is Vadavagni, that fire which produces in the water. Vaidyutogni Sushumnayam, Vidyut Agni, the lightning, that fire is in Sushumna Nadi. Parthiva Agni, that which is there in the earth, the regular fire that we call, is there in Nabhi Mandal. In this way I have to do Upasana. Hridi Tishtati Suryagni, in the heart there is Suryagni. In the Kapala there is Chandramandalam, so Chandra Agni, because Bhagavan Shiva has Chandra in his Kapala. Nakshatrani aparani ahuhu netradini indriyanyapi. All the other nakshatra, their fire means their light aspect, we have to see it in the sense organs, like Netra Adini Indriyani, eyes, etc. In them also fire is there. Tika is very simple. Mule Mooladhare Kalagnihi Pralaya Kala Analaha. Asthi Madhye Asthi Kutantarale Svedadi Abdishoshako Vadavagnihi Tishtati Ityartha. In the bones, the fire which is there, it dries up the sweat, inner sweat in the bones. वैद्युतोऽग्निः दिव्योऽग्नि सुषुम्नायां तिष्ठति. The divine light in the form of lightning is there in Sushumna Nadi. And it is Kshanasfuranatvat. It appears only for a moment. Sarvanadishu उष्मधारा प्रवर्तकत्वात् इत्यर्थः. And it gives the warmth in all the nadis. This Vaidyut Agni. All this is known in Shaiva Darshan. Means in Shaiva Darshan and their related literature talks about it. In Vedanta Darshan we don't discuss these things. Parthivah Prithvi Dhatu Shoshanognihi. The earth and fire which dries up the things on the earth, saha nabhi mandale dhyaya ityarthah. It is to be understood in the nabhi mandala. There I should meditate. Hridi iti prasiddhartham. And what is in the heart is the sun, that is very well known. Kapalam lalatam. Aparani nakshatrani chandra vyatiriktani. Other than chandra, all the other nakshatras, ashwini adi. सप्तविंशति सख्यानि 27 nakshatras तथा and also Mangala Budhadi Graha, they all you should understand them in the eyes and all different sense organs. Nakshatra रूपेण दृश्यमानाः ते सर्वे नेत्रादि इंद्रियेषु ध्येया इत्यर्थः. स्वप्रचारेण ब्रह्मांड ब्रह्मांड धारकम, ब्रह्मांड धारकम, that word should be ब्रह्मांड, not ब्रह्मांड. ब्रह्मांड धारकम वायुम अंतःशरीरे देह धारक प्राणात्मना ध्यायेत. So that Vayu which supports the entire Brahmanda in the inner body, Antasharire, Dehadharaka Pranatmana. I should meditate that which sustains my body in this way. Dharyante Vayubhirlokaha. Lokaha visarga will drop. Dharyante Vayubhirloka. Yatha Pravahanadibihi. Pranadibhir Dashavidhair. Dharyate Vayubhirvapuhu. धार्यन्ते वायुभिर्लोका यथा प्रवहणादिभिः दशविधैर्धार्यते वायुभिर्वपुः. धार्यन्ते वायुभिः लोकाः. Just as वायुभिः लोकाः धार्यन्ते, यथा by which Vayu? Pravahanadibihi. So these are the names: Pravahana, Samvahana, Avahana, Avahana ityadi. Pranadibihi dashavidhaihi Vayubihi Vapuhu Dharyate. In the same way, there are 10 pranas. So now we are in the Vayu part. So Prithvi is done, Jala is done, Agni is done. Now Vayu. 10 pranas are there, by that this body is supported. Pravahana samhanadibihi saptabihi vedaihi. So these are the 7 vayus by which the external world is supported. In the same way, 10 pancha prana and pancha upaprana by which inner body is sustained. Pranasya dasha vidhatvam tat karya nirdeshana द्वारा दर्शयति. द टेनफोल्ड प्राण दशविधत्वम by its karya nirdeshana, pointing out the work of them, they are given here. प्राप्येडा पिंगले प्राणो मूलात् सूर्यस्वरूपतः नासिकाभ्यां बहिर्गत्वा लीयते द्विषडंगुले. प्राप्येडा पिंगले प्राणो मूलात् सूर्यस्वरूपतः नासिकाभ्यां बहिर्गत्वा लीयते द्विषडंगुले. अष्टांगुलेन सोमात्मा नाडीभ्यामन्तराविशत्. मलमूत्रमरुच्छुक्रा अण्यपानो विसृजेत् बहिः. अष्टांगुलेन सोमात्मा नाडीभ्यामन्तराविशत्. मलमूत्रमरुच्छुक्राण्यपानो विसृजेत् बहिः. So now ida pingale prapya, this pranavayu goes in ida and pingala, both nadi, all the way up to mooladhara. Moolat. So mooladharat, starting from there through ida pingala nadi, it goes all the way up to the nostrils and outside. So you see, pranavayu is actually starting from below, comes all the way up and out. Apanavayu comes from outside, goes all the way in and out from the bottom. In this way we have to understand. Moolat surya swarupataha nasikabhyam bahirgatva, going out from the two nostrils. Dishad angule liyate, 12 fingers outside the nostril, it disappears. After that there is no effect of it. So whatever we breathe out, within 12 fingers it has impact. After that there is none. प्राणस्य दश मूलाधारात उत्थिते इडा पिंगले नाड्यौ, starting from ida and pingala, starting from mooladhara through ida pingala nadi, prapya surya rupatah suryavad ऊष्माश्रय सन नासिकाभ्याम द्वाराभ्याम बहिर्देहात गत्वा. Through the nostrils it goes out, means from mooladhara. Mooladhara is the tailbone. From there it comes all the way up to the nostrils, and having gone outside the body, 12 fingers outside, dvishad angule, 2 6 means 12, twice 6 fingers, liyate layam adarshanam gacchati. After that it doesn't remain prana anymore, means it becomes one with total. And what is apana? Somatma sun. So the fire, the sun identified is prana, moon identified is apana. Somatma sun sa eva prano apanam pranudan ashtangulena deshena agatya. So 8 fingers, from there apana begins. 12 fingers out is prana, 8 fingers is apana. Deshena agatya nadibhyam ida pingala rupabhyam, it also goes through ida pingala. Nasika chidrabhyam antah sharir madhya avishat, it goes all the way down, and then it rejects. Bahihi visrujet, apana vayu rejects what all things? Mala, mutra, marut means air also, and shukra, All this comes out of the body through apana vayu. Agni shomamayo bhutva sushumnarandramashritah abrahmarandramudgachan nudano vardhate swayam. Agni shomamayo bhutva sushumnarandhamashritah abrahma udano vardhate swayam vyapayed vapushi vyano bhuktanarasamanvaham sandhukshanam samanastu कायाग्नेः कुरुते सदा. व्यापयेद्वपुषि व्यानो भुक्तान्नरसमन्वहं सन्धुक्षणं समानस्तु कायाग्नेः कुरुते सदा. So now prana apana are over. Now udana, vyana, samana, these three are explained. So in 15th udana tasyeva udana pattimaha. Agni shomamayo bhutva, being of the nature of fire and moon. Agni shomamayo bhutva shushumna, in the sushumna nadi, sushumna randram ashritaha, in the sushumna nadi, the one which is abrahmarandram udgachan, it goes all the way up to Brahmarandra. Brahmarandra means the top of the skull, and in particular when we shave our head, so then you know where it is. Udano swayam vardhate, udana vayu goes all the way there. Vardhate here means vijrumbate, in tika it is given, means it shoots out all the way up, udana vayu. And this vyana vayu vapushi vyapayet, in the entire body it pervades. How? By making the food in the same way. Bhukta annarasam anvaham. So making the whole thing as samanam. So this vyana actually carries it everywhere. Samana makes everything same. Bhukta annarasam samanvaham, it carries it everywhere. That is vyana. And samanastu sandhukshanam kayagnehe sada kurute. Sandhukshanam means prajwala anukula vyaparaha, in tika it is given. Means it burns the food that we eat and makes it homogeneous. We eat different kind of food, but everything becomes one and gets converted into the fat, bone marrow, blood, etc. Bhuktan rasam anvaham pratyaham every day. Yaha upari dehanadishu vyapayet, in the all upper dehanadis it pervades, means it goes up. Vividha masam mantat prapayet. Vividhamasam antat prapayet. So vividham asam, vividham meaning is given, vividham asamantat. You have to break it that way. Vividham asamantat prapayet. So it goes everywhere. Pracharayan by taking it everywhere, carrying it everywhere. Sarva nadir vyapnoti iti etat, it pervades in all nadis. Saha vyanaha, that is the vyana vayu. Sandhukshanam means prajwala anukulo vyapara. Kayagnehe sada sandhukshanam kurvan samana. So there is a body fire which is this Sandhukshanam Kayagnehe Kurute Sada, and it makes the food homogeneous. So here description of Pancha Prana is over. Now the Pancha Upaprana, the 5 secondary pranas, they are explained. Nago Hikkakarah Kurmo Nimeshonmeshakarakaha Kshutam Karoti Krikaro Devadatto Vijrumbhanam Sthaulyam Dhananjayah Kuryan Mritam Chapi na Munchati Akasho Bahirapyanta Ravakasham Prayachati Nago Hikkakarah Kurmo Nimeshonmeshakarakaha Sthaulyan Dhananjayah Kuryan Mritam Chapi na Munchati Akasho Bahirapyanta Ravakasham Prayachati. Nago Hikkakaraha. The Naga is Hikkakaraha. This hiccup, what we call, that is this Nagavayu. Kurmaha Nimeshonmeshakarakaha. The blinking of the eyes is Kurma Vayu. Kurma Prana means Upaprana. Kshutam Karoti Krikaraha. Krikara Upaprana, what does it does? Kshutam. Kshutam means the sneezing actually. Devadatto Vijrumbhanam. Vijrumbhanam means yawning. Because at that time also some air comes out from the mouth. First you breathe in and then you exhale. Sthaulyam Dhananjayah Kuryat. Dhananjaya Vayu gives weight to the body and makes the body heavier. And therefore, even when the person is dead, Dhananjaya Vayu doesn't go. Why? Because it makes the body bigger. You know, the body starts swelling after death. Because Dhananjaya Vayu is still there. Mritam Chapina Munchati. Even dead body, it doesn't leave. Dhananjaya. Akasho Bahihi Api Antar Avakasham Prayachati. And the next, so up to 17th is the end of, means up to this Mritam Chapina Munchati Dhananjaya is the Vayu. And the last one is Akasha. Akasha Bahihi Api Antar Avakasham Prayachati. Outside and inside also it gives the accommodation space. In this way, all 5 elements are discussed. Okay, see the Tika. Shruti Prasidhan Pranadi Panchavayun Vibhajya Yoga Shastra Prasidhan Nagadin Aparan Panchavayun Vibhajate. Having described the Shruti Prasiddha Panchaprana, like in Prashnopanishad etc., they are described. Now, Yoga Shastra Prasiddha Upaprana, they are being discussed here. Nimeshonmeshane Netrayoho Kurvan Kurma. Kurma Vayu does Nimeshonmesha. Vijrumbhanam Tandri Vashat Asya Vidaranam. Asya Vidaranam means that air that comes out. Sthaulyam Dehopachayam Mritam cha Shavarupam api na munchati Dhananjaya. Why? Tatrapi Uchunatva Karana Vayuhu Dhananjaya. Uchunatva, making it fat even afterwards. So the body starts swelling after death. That is Dhananjaya. एतावता भूरंभांस्यनलो नीलः अप टू दिस इज एक्सप्लेन्ड देन इत्यन्तं वाक्य व्याख्यातम् इदानीम् अंबरादीन् व्याचक्षाणः तत्सम्पादनं सूचयति. So then आकाश is also explained. अंबर अंबरादीन् व्याचक्षाणः व्याचक्षाणः आचार्यः. व्याचक्षाणः means the one who is desirous of explaining, expounding. व्याचक्षुः is व्याख्या कर्तुम् इच्छुः व्याचक्षुः. And व्याचक्षाणः is शानच प्रत्यय in that. तत् सम्पादनं सूचयति आकाश. So now 5 elements are done. Of the Ashtamurti, 5 are done. Now what is there? Surya, Chandra and Purusha. Purusha we said either it is Ishvara or it is Jiva, either way. So now they are explained in the 19th one. चंद्रार्कौ कालनेतारौ प्राणापानौ शरीरिणाम् साक्षी पुरुष इत्येवं मूर्त्यष्टकमिदं वपुः. चंद्रार्कौ कालनेतारौ प्राणापानौ शरीरिणां साक्षी पुरुष इत्येवं मूर्त्यष्टकमिदं वपुः. चंद्रार्कौ कालनेतारौ, the sun and the moon, they are the carrier of the time, kala. How? Because of their movement, the time just keeps going. We don't realize one day is over, one more day is over, night is over, day, night. They are pranapanau sharirinam. They are like prana and apana. So this is, you have to go on meditating of all these aspects in the body. And the sakshi is the purusha. Sakshi purusha. Iti evam Murti Ashtakam idam vapuhu. This body is Murti Ashtakam. Yau Kalanetarau Siddhau Chandrarkau, the sun and the moon. Tau Sharirinam Sharire Pranapanau Dhyeyau Ityarthaha. In the body, I should meditate of them as Pranapana. So sun and moon are there. So sun will be prana, Chandra will be apana, in this way. Even though the order is given in the shloka Chandrarkau Pranapanau, but you have to reverse it. And the sakshi, yaha sakshi sanghatasya saha purushaha puman iti ukta ityartha. This purusha sakshi is there, this is the puman. Ityabhati characharatmakam iti etad vyachaste. This is Murtyashtakam vapuhu. Ityevam iti. So eightfold body aspect is explained. Now what is explained is that to do this upasana, I should have the help of Ashtanga Yoga. So the either you call just by the word Ashtanga Yoga, or we say qualifications, the Daivi Sampatti, or what is known as Jnana Sadhanani, the means for knowledge, or in simple words Sadhana Chatushtaya. So all of that now is being mentioned. They are not elaborated here, because for elaboration you can refer to Bhagavad Gita details what already has been studied elsewhere. Evam Ashtamurti Swarupam Deha eva Sampadya Dhyayatah Phalamaha. In this way, the Ashtamurti Swarupam Deham, the eightfold nature which is meditated upon in the body, Deha eva means Dehe eva Sampadya, Dhyayatah Phalam. Dhyayatah, the one who does dhyanam of that person. Sixth case. Dhyayatah Phalam Aha. समनस्कमिदं योगी सेवमान उपासनम् अष्टांगयोगयुक्तः सन् अमनस्कं नमनस्कं स गच्छति। समनस्कमिदं योगी सेवमान उपासनम् अष्टांगयोगयुक्तः सन् नमनस्कं स गच्छति। So earlier he is samanaska and then he will become amanaska. Means earlier he is identified with the mind, samanaska, and he is aware of his mind. Then slowly mind awareness also will go away. He will be just there. How? Through Ashtanga Yoga Yukta Upasanam Sevamana Yogi. Associated with the eightfold practice, Ashtanga Yoga, this Upasana, the one who does. So this kind of dhyanam we should do. Now, if somebody doesn't do this Ashtanga, this Ashtamurti dhyanam, Saguna Upasana, even if they want to do Nirgun Brahma Upasana or Nirgun Brahma Chintanam, either of them, Nirguna Brahma Upasana is discussed in 9th chapter of Panchadashi. And Nirguna Brahma Dhyanam is discussed in Vedanta Shastra as Nididhyasanam. This Ashtanga Yoga can be used in all of them. Whether it is Saguna Upasana, whether it is Nirguna Upasana, whether it is Brahma Chintanam, in all of them. Until my mind gets absorbed in whatever I am dwelling on. Manasa vyaptatvat samanaskam idam ashtamurti lakshanam upasanam dhyanam sevamano abhyasyan yogi yoganirataha. So by the mind, manasa vyaptatvat, pervaded by the mind, therefore he is called samanaska, samanaskam. And what is he meditating upon? Idam ashtamurti lakshanam upasanam dhyanam. This eightfold nature of the Paramatma that he is meditating on. Dhyanam sevamano abhyasyan. Abhyasyan, while meditating on this, that practicing this, yogi, yoganirataha. So now yogi, what yoga he is doing? Katham yogi? Ashtanga Yoga Yuktasan, endowed with the eightfold practices. So manaskam lingam Ishwaram gacchati. That saha amanaskam. So manaskam means saha amanaskam. Khandakar you can put the avagraha. Ishwaram gacchati. Tat padam apnoti ityartha. He attains that Paramatma. So now the eightfold yama, niyama, asana, they all are explained now. Okay, so we begin with yama. The good part is many of them are given in Bhagavad Gita, so they are familiar. Here only brief mention is there. Idanim yoga ashtangani vibhajate. The 8 steps, 8 aspects of Ashtanga Yoga, they are individually mentioned. Manah prasada santosho maunamindriya nigraha daya dakshinyamastikkya marjavam mardavam kshama भावशुद्धिरहिंसा च ब्रह्मचर्यं स्मृतिर्धृतिः इत्येवमादयोन्ये च मनस्साध्यायमास्मृताः मन प्रसाद संतोषो मौनमिंद्रिय निग्रह दया दाक्षिण्यमास्तिक्य मार्जवम मार्दवम क्षमा भावशुद्धिरहिंसा च ब्रह्मचर्यं स्मृतिर्धृतिः इत्येवमादयोन्ये च मनस्साध्यायमास्मृताः। मनः प्रसाद. So I think we'll go and look into Tika also while we are seeing, because they are more or less just the repetition ideas also. Mana prasada means the pleasantness of mind. Any meditator, any good sadhaka will need all this. You have to have pleasant frame of mind most of the time. If mind is going up and down erratic, then I don't have prasannata. It will not help me in dhyana sadhana. Santosha, I have to be content with whatever is available. Okay, first let us just see the shloka only, then we'll see Tika. Maunam. Maunam is unnecessary things I should not talk. And when required also, just say in less things. And as we advance, and there is nothing to talk. Most of the people, like here we all are in our own kutia. You come out, part is there, or arati time is there, kshetra, that's all. Indriya nigraha, controlling sense organs. So not indulging in sense objects. Then daya, having compassion. Dakshinyam. Dakshinya is not given in Gita anywhere. Dakshinya means you have to be like chatura. You have to be smart, what they say. So Dakshinya means that one has to know how to do proper viveka, etc. So vyavahare dakshata. Astikyam, having faith in scriptures, in teacher. Arjavam, straightforwardness, not complicating things, going round, etc. Mardavam. Mardavam means mruduta, tenderness, gentleness. Kshama, forgiveness. Bhavashuddhi, purity of thinking. Ahimsa, harmlessness. We are not going to kill anybody, but not even harm anybody. Brahmacharyam. Brahmacharyam, celibacy, in simple meaning. Brahmacharya can also mean constantly having the Brahmachintanam, whether saguna or nirguna. Smritihi. Smritihi here is given remembering the defects in janma, mrityu, jara, vyadhi, dukkha, in all of them, seeing doshas. And dhritihi, firmness, sthiryam, holding on to the path. Iti evam adayo, all these, and anyecha, and more also, manassadhya yamasmritaha. These are all are accomplished through mind. They are called yamaha. In texts like Tulsi Ramayana or Srimad Bhagavatam also, you will find these are described elaborately. Elaborately means repeatedly they will come, and list of them will come. This is Vibhishan Gita. So some 30-40 qualities will be given in few chaupais. In Srimad Bhagavatam, in 3 shlokas, you will find some 40 odd qualities. They'll say you have all these. Now to acquire them, we may take janmas, but they are all given there, that when we have all this, then the spiritual journey will be pleasant, peaceful, joyous. Sitika. मनसः उद्रिक्त सत्वावस्थापत्ति ही प्रसादः, प्रसन्नता. mind in elated state, udrikta sattva and greater sattva. That is mana prasada, manasa prasada prasannata. Lakshya vikshepa abhavena avasthitihi iti yavat. In the lakshya, in the goal, vikshepa abhavena avasthitihi iti. Santosho yadricha labha santushti. Santosha is being content with whatever is available. Maunam vruthavag utsarjana tyagaha. Maunam means not speaking unnecessarily. Maunam doesn't mean just remaining quiet only, but speak only when it is required. Indriya nigraha tad vashikaranam, and controlling all the sense organs. Daya bhuta droha karanam. Daya means not to do droha to bhuta beings. Dakshinyam vyavahare dakshata. In the transactional life, having dakshata means being good at quickly finishing things in time. What we call, in general, some time management, some cleanliness, and ability to wind up, wrap up things properly, etc. This is required. Agraha rahityam ityetat. Another given here is agraha rahityam. Not to go on insisting on something and get into conflict with people. Because you have to remember, a sadhaka has to live in atmosphere accommodating himself with so many things. If he has any agraha, if there is any insistence, then what will happen? Somewhere or the other he will end up in conflicts, whether it is with management, whether it is with some other people, somebody or the other, or some sahapathis, sahabrahmacharis. Then again there will be problem. So agraha should not be there. Astikyam shastradi ukta vishaya vishwasaha. Faith in the shastra ukta vishaya, that is astikyam. Arjavam urujutvam akutilatvam, straightforwardness, no kutilata. Mardavam mrudutvam akathinatvam. Mardavam means softness, gentleness. Kshama krodha hetushu api krodha parityagaha. Even when there is occasion to get angry, not to get angry, remain calm. Bhava shuddhihi vachanocharanadav mana shuddhihi. Bhava shuddhihi, purity of thoughts in the words when we speak, then good, right intention should be there. Shuddhanta karanatvam iti yavat. Shuddhanta karanatvam. Ahimsa parapida varjanam, not to harm others. Brahmacharyam ashtanga maithuna tyagaha. Here brahmacharya is defined as the maithuna tyaga, means eightfold aspects are given in Shastra, that you should not interact with women, you should not think of women, etc. So, giving up all this. Smritihi janma mrityu jara vyadhi dukkha doshanusandhanam. Constantly remembering the birth, death, old age, all the pain that comes in the disease time, and in particular cold weather, old age. Even if we don't go through, we just see others going through that. That itself is a good way of knowing. Dhritihi dhairyam mana pranendriyanam avasada praptau uttambhanam iti. Dhritihi dhairyam. When mana, prana, indriya, all of them, they get exhausted, they get tired. Then, at that time, keeping the sustained force, etc. Evam adayah amanitvam adambhitvam ityadayah. And also what is said in Gita, 13th chapter, amanitvam adambhitvam, they all. Anyecha adveshtrutvadayascha. What is said in 12th chapter of Gita, that also. ये मनसः साध्या योग साधनभूता धर्माः. You can take 16th chapter also, Daivi Sampatti, all of that. What will help me in the yoga sadhana, dharma, that all those dharmas, all those values, te ime yamaha smritaha uktaha vidvadbihi tyarthaha. They all are called as yamaha by the wise people. मनोमात्र साध्या निवृत्ति लक्षण योगांग विशेषा यमा इति यम लक्षणम अनेन उक्तम इति द्रष्टव्यम. दे ऑल आर मनोमात्र साध्या निवृत्ति लक्षण योगांग विशेषा. दिस विल, देर इज नो प्रवृत्ति, दिस इज ऑल निवृत्ति. दे आर ऑल इंडिकेटेड एज यम. बाय दिस यम लक्षणम अनेन उक्तम इति द्रष्टव्यम. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति. ओम.